Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Maya Angelou's poem, The Caged Bird, has been an autobiographical portrayal of her extremely traumatic childhood. Written in 1969, it tells of her life up to the age of 17. The bird in the cage is a symbol of all African Americans and their fight for freedom.
Take our lead.
Maya Angelou uses plenty of irony in her book I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. Situational irony is when things do not turn out as expected. Vivian brings Maya into her bed to make her feel safe when she has nightmares, but as a result, Maya is raped by Mr. Freeman.
Let's help you make your mark.
Answer. The poet Maya Angelou is comparing racism faced by Afro-Americans in early 1960 by contrasting caged bird as Afro-Americans and free birds as white Americans. The caged bird symbolizes struggle of Afro-Americans for their fight for freedom.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.